guys, question number 4, it will be your last question today because you have to memorize all these answers. So that is why question number 4, one of the important questions, define the causes of poverty. Why India is facing poverty? We are passing through 21st century. But in spite of that, India could not eradicate or could not remove poverty. Still India is developing country. It is not a developed country. So what are the causes or define the causes of poverty? So question 4, the question is define the causes of poverty. Answer. There were many causes where, mind it, where there were many causes for the widespread poverty of India, but at present India has overcome out of that, not fully, entirely overcome out of that situation due to some of its prudent policies, some intellectual policies or strategies. India could overcome some, you can say that not entirely, but it could overcome that now, but there is long way to go. But still India, it is a developing country. During British time or just post-independence, we can say post-independence, when British totally they had left India. After that India had to face an intense economic crisis because of long-term colonialism or due to the ruling of imperial state. So India had to face an intense economic crisis because India was not accustomed to the situation because of a long-term colonial process or system. It was going on in the past since 2 centuries. That is why, so you write, I repeat, answer, there were many causes for the widespread poverty of India, but at present India has overcome out of that situation due to some of its prudent policies. Some strategies or some policies India has adopted. That is why India could eradicate that intense poverty or intense economic crisis. Some policies to be done, those strategies and policies India has to do, has to follow. Some policies to be done as Roman number 1, promotion of economic growth. India has to promote the economic growth, and whatever the strategies that entirely depends on the nation itself, the government. Roman number 1, promotion of economic growth. Roman number 2, population control. Guys, the current situation, absolutely the current situation you are watching, 135 crores of people, the second largest populated country of the world after China, because of this coronavirus, COVID-19, because of this population, India now is facing an intense crisis to strive against this invisible enemy known as coronavirus. So this is the current status because of the population, largest densely populated country of the world, India, that means second largest after China. So population control, that is one of the important or major factors. So first, Roman number 1, that promotion of economic growth, and 2, population control. But through, then you start, but through green revolution, India has emphasized its economy in agricultural field. Green revolution took place in India. It is post-independence time. Green revolution means India is agriculture based countries. So India is now self-sufficient. That means India nowadays in agriculture, we can say India is self-sufficient. So green revolution took place. So you will write, but through green revolution, G capital, R capital, green revolution, India has emphasized its economy in agriculture field. Then A or Roman number 1, whatever you want to write. Job opportunity both in public and private sectors. These are the strategies. Both in public and private sectors. Vendors, construction workers, domestic servants, etc. B or Roman number 1. Another cause of high poverty rate is unequal distribution. If it fluctuates, the poverty level, it fluctuates. Sometimes it is average, sometimes it rises to high. So when high poverty rate it is visible, why high poverty rate is visible? Because of these following reasons. So another cause of high poverty rate is unequal distribution of land and other resources. Unequal distribution of land and other resources. Then C, there are many other socio socio-cultural and economic factors who are responsible for poverty. D, poor people take loan, especially the small scale farmers, but due to low production of grain, they cannot repay their loan. Suppose farmers, it is common factor anywhere in our country, it is common factor. Farmer, they do take loan for machineries, that means for machines, for pump, agricultural field, whatever the gadgets they do require, they purchase those things by taking loan, whether those are the personal loan or those are from bank. But after taking loan, they do farming. But unfortunately, suppose it is due to nature, that means natural calamity, if their grain is totally spoiled, that means they could not earn, they could not sell it. So what will be the consequence? They will be not able to repay the loan. Whatever the installments or whatever the criteria, whatever the rules of the bank or the personal, from where they do take, they cannot pay or they could not pay. As consequence, once again they come down that poverty line, once again that below the poverty line. So this is one of the causes, one of the reasons. So but due to low production of grain, they cannot repay their loan, they become debtors. After loan, that means they have become, or that individual, he has become the defaulter. So next month he has to pay 2 months, then third month. That means he becomes overburdened. So loan, they become debtors, 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 and in search of job they migrate to other state. Just see the current status.